guys, my name is Jay Jutani and I am the president for Westcop Student Council for the year 2020-21. I have been in the council for the past 2 years. Council has always been like a family to me. Over these past 2 years, in my experience, I can say that I have grown along with the council as a leader and as an individual. Academic excellence is really important, but life skills are also equally important. And to achieve those life skills, you need to be a member of the council. There are always high expectations from the people, and to deliver at those pressure situations has always been a highlight for the student council. There have been times where things won't go as planned, but to make the best out of the worst situation has been the most important life skill that I've learned over these past 2 years. Apart from all these things, the most important thing is the memories that you'll make while working with a team of different individuals with their unique thought processes. And this is something that you will cherish down the memory line. So I hope to see you guys as soon as possible, and I wish you all the very best for this new journey that you are stepping into. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sarvesh Desai from TY BPharm. I am Secretary of Student Council at VES College of Pharmacy for this academic year 2021. Being the Secretary of the Student Council was something I had been looking forward for a very long time. In this entire journey, I have learned so many things like decision-making ability, problem-solving tactics, and also my relationship with my council members as a secretary. Student Council allows you to find an inner leader within you and also a self-hidden super character within yourself which is able to do things more than beyond imagination. As this year all events and activities were conducted online, I realized that if we try, we can find solutions to every problem. It depends on us how we can make it best by giving our best. Being in the Student Council was educational as well as utterly enjoyable. We got to know more about people, knowing people's views and thoughts, understanding them, solving their problems, conducting events for them, etc. So I would like to congratulate everyone and wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Shaina Rebello, the magazine secretary of the Student Council. I, along with my 2 assistant magazine secretaries, make up the magazine committee. As the name suggests, we are responsible for taking the annual college magazine, Pharma Equinox, to the finish line. In fact, we have our 2021 edition that is going to be released very soon, so watch out for that. Being in the Student Council is to carry a responsibility. I learned how to work alongside people and to adhere to deadlines, something which I can admit I wasn't really good at before. I think this will really help me when I go out of Westcop and work in the industry or anywhere else for that matter, because I already had a miniature experience of it by being in the Student Council. I wish you all the very best for your future years that are coming at Westcop. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Saloni Maindan and I am the Cultural Secretary in the Student Council for the academic year 2020-2021. I've been in the council for the past 2 years and personally my journey has been wonderful. Me, along with my 2 assistants, we form the Cultural Committee. The Cultural Committee provides a platform for all the students to showcase their talent, also ensuring student engagement apart from their regular academic routine. The Student Council has helped me develop my confidence and public speaking skills. From planning an event to making it happen, my journey has helped me develop organizational and management skills. During the inter-college and intra-college events, all the committees come together and work as a team. Personally, I got to learn teamwork, having faith and patience in the team, putting forth my opinions, also respecting other people's choices. All these qualities are very important for future life, and the Student Council has helped me in achieving it. From being a shy, introvert person to a leader, an outspoken and a confident one, the Student Council has helped me a lot. So I wish you all the best and I hope to see you all soon.
Hello everyone, this is Raj Padua. I am from 3rd year BPharm and I am the Sports Secretary of Student Council for the year 2020-2021. I have been a part of the council for the last 2 years. I learned how to manage my academics as well as my sports. I learned how to put forward my views when working as a team and how to harmonize my relations with other committees. Teamwork, punctuality and communication are the few skills which I learned from being a part of the council, and I speak with confidence when I say these are the qualities which will play a vital role in numerous ways when you are working for an official organization. One of the greatest advantages of being in the student council is that you not only get to participate, but you also get to meet a lot of people. You get to know your teachers and staff apart from academics. That's it from my side. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you guys soon. And I wish you a very good luck for your coming academic year.